Hi guys, welcome back to my page. So today it's going to be all about my birthday challenge giveaway. This is my first challenge. I've done tons of giveaways, but this one will be a challenge one where you have to send something in, and then in return, if you win, then you get the prize. So my birthday is this month in December. It's December 23rd. I know, 2 days before Christmas. But I wanted to do a fun challenge. I know there's a lot of challenges right now on YouTube, so this challenge won't be due until January 8th. I must have it in my hands by January 8th. So the challenge is to make a birthday card. It could be any theme, like birthday style, like for grandma, grandpa, you know, dad, mom, little kids, boy, girl. Just make sure that it is at least an A2 card size, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch, and no bigger. Like if you make a bigger card, no bigger than 5 by 7, you know, like around that size. Make sure your card includes an envelope. The envelope does not have to be handmade. It could be store-bought or like your stash of envelopes, but the actual card has to be handmade. And it could be shaped, like it doesn't have to be a perfect rectangle. It could be like circular shape or like the shape of a silhouette of something, you know, it could be, you can get creative with that. But what I want you to do, so for instance, act like this was a birthday card. It could be super embellished because I will not be mailing these cards in like the mailbox or anything. The people that I give it to will be in person and in hand, so you don't have to worry about shipping it. But for instance, I want you can, if you write me a note, write it on a sticky note or a piece of paper and just sticky note it down. That way I can use the card in my stash. So this will, you know, I'll have a few cards, however many people, you know, join, I'll have those cards in my stash that I can use for my own personal use. So if you use the sticky note and write what you want, and then I'm able to take it off and use the card, like I said, in my stash. So the giveaway, like I said, will end January 8th. Like I said, I must have it by the end of the day, January 8th, when I check my P.O. box, because I want to make sure that I have all of my videos. Like whatever you guys send in, I will do a video of it. If there's a lot of entries, I will put several cards in one video and then post that way, so I'm not clogging your guys' feed. So I want to post all the videos like that week and then probably draw the winner on like that Friday or something, just so I can post, make sure that all you guys get a chance that your video does get posted. So that's all you have to create, is a birthday card that I'm able to use. There is 2 other ways to get extra points. So you can get a total of 3 points, but if you just send in the card, which is perfect, you get 1 point, and you know, I'm gonna write everybody's name down. An extra point would be to make 3 handmade bows. The bows can be made of fabric, paper, faux leather, tulle, you name it. It could be made of that. So for instance, I have these 3 bows. It doesn't have to be packaged all fancy, you guys. Like I don't care. But like this would be something that I would turn in, 3 handmade bows. They could be any size. Please just don't cut out like a die cut of a bow, like a flat one-dimensional bow, and send that in. It has to be, you have to assemble the bow, if that makes sense. So 3 handmade bows is 1 point. Don't make 50 bows and think you're gonna get like 50 points. It doesn't work that way. It's just the 3 bows will get you that 1 point. And then last but not least, 1 extra point is if you do a video response on YouTube, either sharing what you created, the card, the handmade card, or the bows, and you know, sending people to my YouTube page. If you do a video response, leave a comment down below and tell me that you left a video response, and copy and paste that link so that I can click on the link and go look. So that's it. The card's 1 point, the 3 bows is 1 point, a video response is 1 point. You can earn a max of 3 points, but those are just extras. The main entry will be your card, and that'll get you your point into the drawing to get the prize. Some of you saw in my Tuesday morning haul, so you will get these We Are Memory Keepers spring-loaded scissors. They are in the white and the teal, like the newer ones. I love these scissors. I'm absolutely obsessed. Then you will get this swivel knife. It's like an X-Acto knife, but it swivels for like, you know, corners versus edges. Then you will get this miniature scoreboard by We Are Memory Keepers as well, and the little bone folder snaps up in on the top, and you can make envelopes, bags. It has like stuff like instructions in the back. Then you will get this We Are Memory Keepers wood grain magnetic cutting mat, and then it comes with a ruler as well. Then you will get this Tim Holtz Alterations mini snowflake rosette. So it comes with the two different shapes. It's this one and then this one. So you can see on the back, there's the bigger one and the little one, but they both are still relatively small. And then, which I have not finished, I've been crafting up a storm. This is just a little sneak peek, but you guys will get a Christmas theme loaded bag from me, just made with all sorts of handmade goodies, some store-bought goodies, stuff that I will, you know, make like I would normally send a happy mail package. So those are the winnings if you win my birthday challenge giveaway. My address will be down below in the description box. Please note this is a temporary address. It's a P.O. box that's only good for like, I think it's a 3-month period. So please be aware of that. Don't save that address and think that's my address, because it's not. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. This gives you plenty of time if you guys even have time, because I feel like I hardly have any time. If you can craft before Christmas and send it in, and then you have time even after Christmas. I think you have a 2-week period after Christmas to craft before you need it in by January 8th. So don't send it January 6th and hope that it gets here January 8th. Mostly the post office, you know, especially around the holidays, they take more time. So consider that when you're sending your card in. Also, this is for US residents only. Sorry, my international subbies, but I will be having a giveaway for my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and that will be in February, the end of February, somewhere around there. And that will be open to my international subscribers. So this one for now is US residents only. All right, guys, I can't wait to see what you create, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.